Hi, this is Priyanka from Action Fraterna Ecology Center, Anantapur. Firstly, I would like to thank Mr. Pradeep Ghosh sir for this amazing workshop because from this workshop I have learned a lot, and through this workshop I have realized on many things which I have never done in my life. Also, at some point, some incidences and activities made me shocked, and I have understood that in order to start any business or anything, we should be able to have a good, proper plan. So, plan in a different ways, like in order to start a business, how the labor cost, how the machinery cost, how the process cost, what are the raw materials, all those things have to be taken care of in order to start a business. So before this workshop I had a thought that in order to start any business we need to have a good number of investment, and also I had a thought that in my mind, even if anyone or if I start any business, there going to be issue on market. But through this workshop I have realized that market and raw materials and investment and skills, these are all none of these are all are not there out of the world, these are all within ourselves and surrounded by in our village. So through this workshop I have understood that these are the things which are around us, which can make us to which can make us to earn money and also live a better life in the village. So some points I have which got me shocked was, per annum or per month we have been spending so much on many things. We are buying many things, we are not even many things, we are buying all the things from outside, even though we are able to produce, we are able to do it, we are able to do anything. Also we are habituated to buy everything from the market. So even the market is also this through this workshop I have learned that even market is also is us, and even the skills also within ourselves. So this workshop made me to think and reflect upon myself. There no need to be worry on many things which are there in ourselves and which are there in surrounded by us. So I really like the way how the facilitation has been done, because from my past experiences, from my past trainings and workshops. So facilitator will be the teaching, or facilitator will be the telling all those things, and this is how I have been exposed to. But this workshop is completely different from my past experiences of workshops and trainings. So here facilitator is facilitating only, but all the information, all the work done by within the groups and within the participants itself. So this workshop is to not only to listen not only to listen, but also in order to make us think and realization of ourselves, that everything is within ourselves, everything is surrounded by us. No need to worry on anything, and no need to worry about any other factors as well. So through this workshop I have got a confidence that even if I want to, or if I want to make any woman or anyone out there in the world, I can tell confidently that these are the things are available, and these are the things within yourself, so you can do it on your own, and you can do it within the groups as well. So this workshop is actually, and also one more interesting thing is, one incident is very shocking incident, that was so while with the sanitizer, the expiry date I expiry date can be removed. So I never know that, and I never even thought of that before that expiry date can also do like this, and people out in the world are doing like this. So all this information, all this knowledge are very new and very rich in my life, and these are the learnings which I'm going to use it, and I'm going to tell out in the world and out for my people also. These are the things are happening, and we should be make aware of all these things. So one more thing I have took as a responsibility is, so I want to make aware of all these things to my people also. So I'm going to looking forward to aware as many as people there within there in the world. So thank you so much once again. Thank you, Pradeep Ghosh sir, for this amazing workshop.